I guarantee this is going to be the best ClickBank tutorial you have ever seen. And yes, you could start with $0, $0, and you can make it happen. All right, so this is how you can make money on ClickBank with no money. Let's dive right in. It's a 3-step process, no money down. No one has ever taught you how to do this method free. And 3 free traffic sources plus bonuses. By the end of this video, you're going to get bonuses and 3 simple steps. You got to find a niche, you got to make a quick website, and then you got to find traffic and not starting a YouTube channel and no spamming. Okay. Step 1, you got to find a niche. So the best niches is health, fitness, crypto, and internet marketing and software. Those are the top niches. Also wealth and love niches. Okay. So here we are on ClickBank, and all you got to do is you gotta make an account on ClickBank. It's very, very straightforward, very, very fast. It's all free to do. And now we're in the marketplace at ClickBank. This is when you have an account and you go to health and fitness, and boom, you got the top offers right here, and you can literally promote these offers. You just press the promote button, and all of a sudden you can make money. This is the affiliate page for that offer, and the gravity means that a lot of people are making money with it, by the way. And so you can look at that, and it's good to know that people are making money with it. This sales page is amazing. It's great to have a good looking VSL and page. So all you do right here is then all of a sudden you can put your nickname at the top there, and you can start promoting it. You just got to grab your link. Now, I recommend always promote the top offer, and this is one of the top offers. And if you promote it, you're going to make money because it converts. It's that simple. Also, tons of people want to lose weight, and they're just buying up all the lose weight type of offers out there. So this is like a bunch of the affiliate tools you can use. Like they sometimes give you banners or things you can use for your email, and they give you landing pages, all these things. So now we got to make a quick website. Okay, there's multiple ways to do this, but we can use WordPress, and WordPress is free. There's a free plan for WordPress, and you could choose to do the business one all the way over there. That's only $34 a month. So WordPress is not confusing at all. It's straightforward, so you could totally do this. As you can see, we already got a template here, and we just got to input what we need. So the conversion powerhouse, the hook is the problem, the persuasion is the solution, and the close is, everything like the coupon and the scarcity. Okay, and that's a good, straightforward, simple way of converting people to convert on the offer. I also like to add bonuses, just to throw that in also. Adding bonuses around an offer is powerful. So now we want to make like our little template here of what we're going to say. So we got the close, the hook, everything like that right there. We can literally get everything we need from this page. We got articles already. Okay, so look, they've got articles for us. They also have images for us and everything. So we're just going to quickly input all this. And yeah, so there's that. And I know it's fast, but just pay attention. And you want to make it look as nice as possible. Don't make it look like crap. And how do you make it look nice? Just model after things you see around the internet that are performing really well. And you model after their success and what's working for them. Okay? Their layout-wise. The layout-wise, the font, the size, the images they're using, how many images, how big the title is. Things like that you got to look at. Even colors. And at the bottom you want to put your link, of course. And you could do a text link. People click on text links, even almost more than buttons, by the way, believe it or not. So now we move on to persuasion and close. And having a coupon is very, very powerful. Okay, so a coupon could be like a free thing attached to scarcity. They have to take action now to get the coupon. It's kind of like doing bonuses. All right. So you can promote with forums, blogs, or on Facebook. Facebook's one of the top ways, but forums works, okay? So you can go to niche forums. So for this, in this case scenario, you want to go to freaking forums that literally have a bunch of people want to lose weight in them. So in the health niche. And you go to those forums, and you comment in those forums, and you say, hey, guess what? I have something for you, my friend. This is the best offer ever seen. They go over to your landing page, they get bonuses, everything like that, and they convert on the offer, okay? But anyway, you can literally type in Google, help forums, etc. You're going to find a bunch, and then you can start commenting. Try not to be spammy, try to give value. Okay? It's best if you already know about the freaking niche. If you don't know much about health, don't really do that method. Okay, blog comments. You can even go into blog comments. At the bottom of a lot of blogs, there's a comment section, and you can add your own comment and give value and link to your landing page. Okay? So here's a blog right here, for example. We scroll down to the bottom, and boom, there's an area you can literally put your comment. So why not do it? Why not? Why not? You can make some money. I mean, it'll be there forever as long as the stupid blog owner doesn't freaking, delete it. So you have to hope for the best. One of the best ways is create content around whatever offer you promote, and then send them to a landing page. We'll talk about that in a minute, so stay tuned. We're almost over here. Yep, all these different blogs. And look, other people are doing it too. They have their own links. They're giving value as well. So next you can do Facebook groups. This is a bonus method right here. And you can go into Facebook groups. Facebook groups are actually really, really awesome because people are very active in them. People get notified for new posts in them, all that stuff. Also Quora, straight up. Quora is a great, great method. You answer people's questions and they actually get notified about it, and they're going to look at it. They're going to see that you commented and they're going to buy. Okay, well, a percentage is always going to buy something. So very important to understand that. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe, like this video. See you later.